Go, Rosey the Pitbull, attack.
Over. Sit on them. Then I wait. Go behind cover. Then I attack. I couldn't.
Damn.
Alright.
Let's roll.
Hi, Crab. I suggest you guys don't fight this. It's a little stronger.
I can take it.
Do whatever you want. But he's a little tanky if he's tanking my poison like this. Okay. Very funny. I thought he was special and unique for that one.
What's wrong, man?
Void Lens is such an unfun item, though. Actually, such a stupid item, though.
I can't believe I actually shot.
First try, too.
Yeah, and I didn't even shoot it with my knife.
Like, oh, imagine dealing with enemies normally. Couldn't be me. Gasolines are for me now. I'm the gasoline man. I'm taking all the movement speed. You guys can't stop me. I'm gassed up. You just see me whiz past you.
Yeah, it's so fast.
Oh, I'm seeing another energy drink, guys.
I should have given you my mocha.
What's wrong? You don't like the burn? Kill the burn. Oh, did you get sniped cross map?
What?
Zycon strike. Maybe. Because he kind of just hates people. Take your stake from me? So you have a shield? Okay. You think?
Hold on. There you go.
So fucked. Imagine just seeing a dog fly out of that. Then he slams into you and it, for some reason, does no damage, but besides the point. Munch. Munch.
I'm gonna get rid of all of my purple things. I can't scrap it. I can't scrap void items.
You can't. What did you expect? They corrupted you. You think you're safe from them?
What is this thing? Why can't I kill it easily? It's just a regular enemy, but he's blue.
I feel like Joe Rogan when in the clip where it's like he was just acting like an animal?
Yeah.
Ow! Oh, and I used up my bottle. Does that
I don't know,
blue
guys.
zone
After DPS kind of
debuff
goes
me?
crazy.
It
I'm
makes
not
the
taking
enemies
that.
invisible.
You can pay me.
This blue
100
beetle
bucks to
makes
take
enemies
that.
invisible.
Oh, that I actually might consider that, but.
Hold on.
Alright, guys, I'm out.
God.
I heard you were talking shit.
There he is.
Hold on.
I gotta go eat supper.
I
Can you
heard
like
you were
summon a
talking
blue
shit.
portal?
Yeah, there's a guaranteed one, I'm pretty sure. Like, it's just over here. That's
Alright.
weird. It usually spawns here. Oh no, or is it this? I'll find you. Mark my words.
Hold on. We gotta clear this void seed. kill everything that moves. Wait. I know. What the hell?
You got hit by the fucking, what's his name? Malachite enemy. Oh,
I
that's
see.
you anyways.
Alright, I gotta go eat.
Alright guys, I'm gonna leave this here and I'm gonna watch them all die. Oh fuck. My trap has worked. I'm scheming, look at me. Okay, who thinks you're funny man? The green guys who are like rabies infected. They also do a lot of damage too. Like they do like 10 times the damage than normal guys. Look at that. Nothing that Actor can't deal with. Because he can deal with it eventually. Hi guys. Hi guys. I don't want to deal with you. Socially awkward dog. Alright, I need to get back. I need to get my item. Ow. Get out of here. I think I'm safe. Possibly go wrong. Fuck off. Shit. Alright. This. Kill you. Kill you too. Okay. I guess. I mean, there are all healing options. I don't know. What do I do? It's fine, it's cool, but... No, who isn't, dog? Yeah, nice, yeah, actually, I won't just dodge that. Get back here! You're a mistake! No, I'll just get out of the range for it. No, I don't think this is balanced. Do take that burn damage, please, and thank you. You'd love to see the 4 ignition tank. I prefer to have an ignition. That hurt. I just touched one of those. Dodge it like the plague is something else. That's such a good fucking saying. Okay. I'm out of there. Alright, time to heal up. Alright, let's go back down. I like how my probes have been just doing something. Oh shit, that actually hurt. I might actually have to buy some drones now. Alright, David, bear with me. I'm gonna buy drones to buff up my bunny probes. Where are my drones? Who do you think you are? He thinks he's somebody. That's actually surprising. I didn't even go down to 1 HP.